Snow skin mooncakes have taken the mooncake world by storm. With the slightly chewy, soft and tender skin and sweet fillings, snow skin mooncakes are so pretty to look at and quite easy to make compared to the traditional one with golden brown pastry. Let's see how we can make this at home. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
For the snow skin, you will need powdered sugar, rice flour, glutinous rice flour, cornstarch, milk, vegetable oil, and some food color of your choice. Please watch until the end to get all the measurements of the ingredients. For the fillings, you will need mung beans, sugar, glutinous rice flour, salt, maltose or glucose syrup, vegetable oil, and some water. We will make the fillings first. Soak the peeled split mung beans in water for 1 hour. Rinse well. Combine the mung beans in a saucepan with water. Bring to a boil and skim off the foam. When the beans are cooked, add sugar, stir to dissolve, and then blend until smooth. In a small bowl, combine the glutinous rice flour with the vegetable oil. Stir well to combine. Transfer the beans mixture to a non-stick pan. Cook over medium-high heat to reduce, occasionally stirring. When it starts bubbling and some of the liquid has evaporated, add the glutinous rice flour and oil mixture. Also add the maltose and stir well. Cook over low heat, constantly stirring for about 30 to 45 minutes until the mung beans come together like a paste and doesn't stick to the pan or the spatula anymore. When you pinch a piece of the fillings, it can stay in its form and doesn't melt down. It's the right time to take off the heat. Do not cook any further, otherwise the fillings gonna be too dry. Transfer the filling to a plate. Cover with a piece of saran wrap so it doesn't dry out, and poke some holes to release the steam. Leave to cool while we move on to make other parts of the mooncake. Toss the salted egg yolk with some cooking wine and rinse again a few times under running water. Arrange on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, brush with some sesame oil, and bake in an oven at 135 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. To make the crust for the snow skin, firstly combine the powdered sugar, milk, and vegetable oil in a bowl. Combine the rice flour, glutinous rice flour, and cornstarch and sift into the mixture. Stir really well to combine and leave to sit for about 30 minutes. Then divide the mixtures into 3 equal portions. Traditional snow skin mooncake comes in white color and hence the name snow, but I will add some color to the other two to make it more colorful and exciting. Cover with plastic wrap and leave a small gap for the steam to come out. You can steam the dough for about 25 to 30 minutes or put it into a microwave for just 45 seconds to 1 minute. After a minute, remove and stir well. Then cover and put it back into a microwave for another 1 minute. Then take out and stir well again. When you no longer see the opaque white color of the raw flour, that's when it's cooked. Leave it to cool down a little. Then we can start assembling the mooncake. For a 100-gram mooncake, I will use 60 grams of the fillings and 40 grams of the skin. Make the fillings into a ball and flatten it out into a disc. Place the salted egg yolk in the center to simplify the moon. Then pinch to seal and make it into a nice ball. For dusting, we will cook some glutinous rice flour in a clean dry pan over medium-low heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. When you have a taste and the flour easily melts in your mouth and no longer tastes unpleasantly of raw flour is done, dust this flour on the working surface. Transfer the cooked dough onto this flour surface and knead well for about a minute. It feels so good because the dough is really soft and smooth. Roll it out into a thin disc, place the fillings into the center, and pinch the edges together. Coat the mold with a thin layer of the cooked glutinous rice flour and shake off the excess. Place the ball inside the mold and press down slightly. And the most exciting part of all is to unmold. Look at that! So pretty, isn't it? Continue this process until you assembled all the mooncakes. The assembling part is always so much fun, so get your kids involved and share these beautiful memories of mooncake making to celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival together. These snow skin mooncakes will taste the best when chilled for a few hours in the refrigerator. The mooncakes have super smooth, soft and slightly chewy skin. The fillings is quite creamy, soft and equally smooth, blending so well with the savory flavor of the salted egg yolk. Such a wonderful bite to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival. This is the exact measurements of all the ingredients, so capture the screen and have all the ingredients ready. Then you can make snow skin mooncake in no time. Good luck and have a happy Mid-Autumn Festival everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye!